Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $60 plus from Google News for free. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because it's going to be a code word that pops up somewhere in this video. And what I want you to do is type that down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. So watch the video all the way to the very end and look for that code word that's going to pop across the screen. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to the first site so I can show you how you can make this money with Google News. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm at the first site, and the name of this site is writersweekly.com. So this is a site that you're going to get paid to write articles for. So once you come here, you're going to click where it says Write for Us, and it's going to take you to this page here. So it kind of tells you what they do and what they accept as far as articles. So it says right here what we publish: featured articles, marketing secrets, and author backstories and book stories. And then they tell you right here what they don't publish. So which is poetry, cartoons, and jokes. So don't submit anything like that here. So let's just scroll down here a little bit more and read a little bit more. So you got to have PayPal, because that's the only way they'll pay you, through PayPal. And you only have to have 600 words. So the length of the article is only 600 words long. So you don't have to worry about 1,000, 2,000 words. Now, they pay $60. So they pay $60 US via PayPal. Make sure you have their PayPal account. And once you submit it, guys, it's going to take about a week for them to get back to you. So you got to be patient. Just be very patient. They're going to get back to you. Now, it just kind of tells you the ones they accept for articles, like marketing secrets. They tell you, the length of the words they want and everything. So it's basically the same for all different type of material that they accept. So what you're going to do now, guys, is write the article. But I'm going to show you a site where you can get all the trending articles or all the trending news that you can use to submit to this website. So let me go ahead and go to googlenews.com right now. All right, I'm at Google News. And as you can see, I'll put in marketing secrets because that's one of the articles that they accept. So we can just go through here. These are the trending articles on Google News. And we can just pick any one of them. So I'm going to scroll down here and pick one. Okay, I'm going to pick this one right here that says 7 social media marketing secrets no one tells you. Take you to this page. Here's the article. Now what we're going to do is just copy the article, and what I'm going to do is take you to this website that will do all the work for you guys, meaning that this article right here is going to become yours. So I'm just going to take a partial part of the article and we're going to go to that website. So let's go there now. Okay guys, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is Quiverbot. Now this is a paraphrasing website, and what this is going to do is write your article for you. So that's why I said copy that article we just came from on Google News, and you're going to bring it here and paste it. So we're going to paste it right here, and you see it pops up right here, and all you got to do is click right here where it says paraphrase, and it's going to rewrite the article for you in different wording. So it's not going to be exact wording as this. So they kind of change stuff around, use different wordings, add some words, took off some words, switched them around to make it original. So after they do that, you're going to go ahead and copy this. And you're going to go back to Writers Weekly. When you come back here, all you got to do is just submit the article and give it a week. You should get approved and get paid the $60. So that's it, guys. Those are the steps you need to take. Very simple steps. So please take advantage of this and start making this money, guys. Try to get as many articles done so you can make more than just $60. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, thank you for your support, and I'm going to go ahead and give a shout out to a person that dropped the creative comment. So today's shout out goes to this person. I'm going to pop the comment on the screen right about now. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your support. Keep dropping those comments, keep liking my videos, and keep sharing them, and help me get to 7,000 subscribers. Alright, that's it. Thank you again for tuning in. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out these very important videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.